Good morning students. I am R.K. Yadav. Today we will study about quadratic equation chapter 4 mathematics of class 10. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. Before starting this, we know that you know well about what is polynomial, what is the degree of polynomials, and types of polynomials, and zero of polynomials. After this, we will study the quadratic equation on the following aspects. So our objective is to know about equation, types of equation, quadratic equation, especially formation of quadratic equation, to find the root of quadratic equation by the following method. First is factorization method. Second, method of completion, the square. Third is by quadratic formula, and then nature of roots, and after this the application of quadratic equation. So let's start. What is equation? So when a polynomial is equated to 0 or two polynomials are equated, then an equation will form. For example, suppose 2x plus 5 equal to 0. When this polynomial is equated to 0, equated by 0, then this form an equation. Or when two polynomials are equated, this is one polynomial, this is another polynomial, equated by equal sign, then equation is formed. Now, types of equation. Types of equation. First one is linear equation. When the degree of the given equation is 1, then it is known as linear equation. For example, 5m plus 3 equal to 7. The degree of this equation is 1 because the power of m is 1, so its degree is 1. That's why it is called linear equation. Second, quadratic equation. When degree equal to 2, then the equation is known as quadratic equation. The example of quadratic equation is x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Here the highest power of variable x is 2. So the highest power is 2. So this is known as quadratic equation. Cubic equation. When degree equal to 3, then the equation is known as cubic equation. For example, 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. This is the example of cubic equation. Here the highest power of variable x is 3. So this equation is known as cubic equation. And fourth is biquadratic equation. When degree equal to 4, then the equation is known as biquadratic. For example, 5x to the power 4 plus 8 equal to 3x. Here degree equal to 4, highest power of variable is 4. So this equation is known as biquadratic equation. Now, formation of quadratic equation. When the roots are given, then we can find the quadratic equation by using this formula: x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. by this formula. If alpha and beta are roots of an equation, then quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Here alpha plus beta is the sum of roots, and alpha into beta the product of roots. Next, our next topic is find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 and 3. For this, find quadratic equation whose roots are 2 and 3. Then the quadratic equation becomes x square minus, this is alpha and this is beta, alpha plus beta 2 plus 3 x plus alpha into beta 2 into 3 equal to 0. So it becomes x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 and 3. Now roots of quadratic equation by factorization method. Find the root of quadratic equation by the factorization method. For example, find the roots of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 by factorization method. For solving this, first we will split 6 in two parts. 1 into 6 equal to 6 and 2 into 3 equal to 6. Now we will add and subtract these factors so that it becomes 5. So here 6 plus 1 equal to 7, 6 minus 1 equal to 5, and product of 6 minus 1 equal to minus 6, but here plus 6, so it will not possible. And take second pair, 2 into 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and 2 into 3 equal to 6 plus 6. So the factor of, we will write the factor of 5 in the form of 2 and 3. So here we write x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, and 5x split in two parts, 3x plus 2x, and then we will take pair, one pair this and second is this, and take x as common, then in bracket x plus 3, and here 2 is common, in the bracket x plus 3 equal to 0, and again x plus 3 and x plus 3 are same, so we will take common, then x plus 3, and in other bracket x plus 2 remains equal to 0. So if x plus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3, and if x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2. So hence the roots are minus 3 and minus 2. This is known as factorization method. Second is root by completing a square method. Root by completing a square method. For example, find the roots of 5x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. Here we will divide it by 5 in this equation. So we will get this term and then minus 2 by 5 change on the right hand side, and this becomes like this, and write this equation in the perfect square form, x square minus 2ab plus b square. Here this term is added, so this term is also added on the right hand side, and after simplification, and this term becomes the perfect square of x minus 3 by 5 whole square, and this term's right hand side becomes 19 upon 25. Again x minus 3 by 5 equal to plus minus under root 19 upon 5, or x equal to 3 by 5 plus minus under root 19 upon 5, and we will take x equal to 3 plus under root 19 upon 5, and second, for the case of minus sign, x equal to 3 minus under root 19 upon 5. Hence roots are 3 plus under root 19 upon 5 and 3 minus under root 19 upon 5. Here minus sign, 3 minus under root 19 upon 5. Quadratic formula, factorization by quadratic formula. Consider the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. By quadratic formula, roots of this equation are x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and that is 1 root alpha equal to minus b plus under root d upon 2a, and second beta equal to minus b minus under root d upon 2a. That is, the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this value is indicated by capital D, that is discriminant, d equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac denoted by capital D, and it is known as discriminant. Nature of roots. Consider the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Case first, when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots will be real and distinct. So if alpha and beta are roots, then alpha equal to minus b plus under root d upon 2a, and beta equal to minus b minus d upon 2a. Case second, when b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are equal roots, that is alpha equal to beta equal to minus b upon 2a. Third case, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the equation has no real roots, that is imaginary roots. So there are three cases. First one is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there will be two roots, real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots will be equal, and b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there will be imaginary roots, that is no real roots. There are three cases and some applications of quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation